Okay, everybody, a new rule for today with the mini lessons on English, and that is called a rule for parallel structure. What parallel structure simply means is that when we're writing in a series of things, we want to make sure that we match the item in the series in the right form and in the right speech, part of speech, and that we match the phrases with the phrases, and we do not mix phrases with clauses. Those three important things. So we're going to look in again the Steck Vaughn so you kind of get an idea of what they're talking about when they talk parallel structure. I will post a page for you guys to try that's dealing with parallel structure. And again, these are just little small things to help you with the English stuff. Should also help you when you're starting to write as well. Kind of keep these rules in mind. So here we go. When we talk parallel structure, we want to look at a couple of rules. First one, remember our first rule was to match the item in a series in form and in parts of speech. So let's look at what's not parallel and what is parallel. So looking at the first one, this is not parallel. I hunted, searched, and was begging for an apartment. Look, hunted ed, searched ed, ing here. That's messing us up. Those won't work. But the correct form, hunted ed, searched ed, begged ed. So we're all in the correct form, parts of speech, when we wrote that sentence. The next one, my routine was to wake at 6 to run for the paper and checking every rental ad before breakfast. Again, my routine was to wake, run, checking, ing. See how it's messing this up. But if we did it the right way, my routine was to wake, to run, to check. So we're in the right part of speech and we have the correct ending on each of our terms. Next one, my routine was waking, ing, running, ing, checking, ing. Again, same pattern, right? Same pattern. So we're good. One more not parallel. A renter must look sensibly, carefully, and with caution at a new apartment. Do we see the problem? Sensibly, ly, and then caution, nope, doesn't match. But if we were to write it the correct way, a renter must look sensibly, carefully, cautiously. So we have all of them in the correct series when we're looking at that. Next one was to say match phrase with phrase. Here we go. Not parallel. Look in the rooms, at the building, and the lease. Ooh, do we see a problem? Look in the rooms, at the buildings, and the lease. There's something missing because look what they did. We look in the room, at the building. So we needed an little new word there. At here, the lease. See how the phrases work? In, at, as opposed to in, at, and nothing. Okay? Last rule, do not mix words or phrases with clauses. Here's a non-parallel. Make sure that the building is clean, safe, and you can afford it. Oh, you see a problem, right? The building is clean, boom, safe, boom. And we done messed it up. So here we go. The correct way. Make sure the building is clean, boom, safe, boom, and affordable. See how it all stays in the same pattern. So when you guys are doing this, when you're looking at parallel structure, make sure you're looking for those three rules. And again, I'll post a page for you to try. Okay.